Hello you all, welcome back. Today as well we have another video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can turn off quiet mode on Instagram, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply step into our video. For that matter, what you will do is first let's go ahead open our Instagram app. So basically Instagram app has got this quiet mode option, which basically gives you another option for you to have a little break from your Instagram life, right? So if you're not being able to access that app, first of all go ahead, update your app, and you will be able to get access to that particular mode or option. Then you're gonna go to your profile icon below, tap on three horizontal line, settings icon, and now if you go to this notifications option, you will find this option called the quiet mode right over there below, pause all. Here in this section, if you go tap on it, then you will find this option, right, which is simply turning on and turning off option. So if you see this, so simply you have turned this on for current time, you can go ahead edit them if you would like to. If that timeline is not matching, you can technically go ahead, edit it. But you simply want to turn it off too, like you don't want it, go ahead again, tap on it, tap on this turn off quiet mode option, go ahead, your quiet mode option or this mode is turned off. You can again, if you want to turn on, you can again go to the settings option, you will find it over here. So this is basically how you're gonna do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.